Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to this tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I want to show you how you can buy Ripple step by step very easily with your Coinbase account. So let's get started. Now, I'm assuming you have a Coinbase account, but if you don't have one, you need to sign up to Coinbase in order to buy Bitcoin. This is the first step. So I'm just going to take you through this part very quickly in case you haven't set up a Coinbase account. So what you need to do is to go to www.coinbase.com and then you sign up with Coinbase. So all you need to do is fill out the form here and create an account. So once you have confirmed your email address, you will then be logged into your Coinbase account where you can buy and sell Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So you have 3 cryptocurrencies that you can buy on Coinbase, and you can also store them on your Coinbase account. So this is where you buy and sell Bitcoin. You click on buy and sell. Here you can link your payment method. So all you need to do is click on add a new account, and then you can link either your debit or credit card, or you can link your bank account details. And then you can buy Bitcoin. So you need to make sure this is highlighted if you want to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum. And that's what you can then use to buy Ripple. Say, for example, you want to buy some Bitcoin, you make sure this is selected. And then you can add the amount, say £100 or dollars worth of Bitcoin, which is worth this much. And then you just buy. Okay, so once you have bought Bitcoin or Ethereum on Coinbase, the next step will be to go to GDAX. So I've typed that into the Google search area, GDAX, and if I just click on it, so GDAX and Coinbase are owned by the same company. And the great thing is that when you set up your Coinbase account, you will not have to set up a GDAX account separately. So they're both linked and all of your details will automatically be transferred to your GDAX account. So all you need to do is just type in your email address, your password. The reason why you need to transfer your funds to GDAX from Coinbase is because we want to avoid paying fees. With Coinbase, you pay quite a high amount of fees when you are transferring money. However, with GDAX, because it's an exchange platform, you won't have to do that. Now, in order to deposit money into our GDAX account, what we need to do is click on deposit here on the left-hand corner. Okay, so what I want to do is deposit some Bitcoins into my GDAX account. If this is all very confusing, say you have point something of Bitcoins and you're not sure how much that is worth, you can go to this calculator here. So what you need to do is just type into Google Bitcoin calculator and then click on cex.io calculator. Say for example, $100 worth of Bitcoins, that will translate to this much. So I can just copy that. And then I can paste that here. There you go. So that's about $100 worth of Bitcoin, which I want to transfer to my GDAX account. Okay, I'm going to deposit. There you go. And this is instant as well. So let me close this now. As you can see, I've got 0.0058 worth of Bitcoins now in my GDAX account, which translates to about $100 worth of Bitcoins. So the next step is to go to Binance, and this is the platform where we can buy tons of different kinds of cryptocurrencies. It's a great website, and the great thing with Binance as well, it's very easy to set up. So this is pretty much what you'll see when you head over to their website. Now, if you haven't already got a Binance account, all you need to do is to register. So click on register, provide your email address and a password. In order to take out your cryptocurrencies, you'll need to provide identification. However, to buy them, you don't need to do that. So I'm just going to log in now to my Binance account. And then once you've typed in your email and password, you will need to move this puzzle piece to the right place. Okay, and once you've logged in, this is what you'll see. Next step is to go to funds and deposit withdrawals. So we click on that, and this is how to then move our funds from GDAX to Binance. And in this search area, we want to type BTC, and that just means Bitcoins. And we can use Bitcoins to buy Ripple. This is the reason why we're doing this. So we want to click on deposit. Okay, so we want to highlight this address. We can just click on copy. So this is one way to do it, or we can click on copy address here. There you go, success. And then we go back to our GDAX account. Now to move our Bitcoins to our Binance, what we need to do is to withdraw them. So we click on withdraw. And then we click on BTC address. And then this address that we've copied here, we're going to paste it in here. So paste like so. Okay. We want to transfer all of the amount. This is why we're clicking on max here. Okay. And then for two-factor authentication, I'm just going to click on get code because I've already set that up. So get code. If you've set that up on your Coinbase, this is the code that you put in there. So I'm just going to do that now. And then I'm going to withdraw funds like so. So that has been successfully withdrawn and it's going to be moved to our Binance account. This might take a couple of minutes or even hours depending on the traffic here. So once it's been transferred to my Binance account, I will continue the tutorial. Hello everyone, so it's the next day and it's taken quite a few hours for my Bitcoins to get transferred to Binance. Now if you're in a hurry and you want to buy Ripple very quickly, what I recommend is that you transfer Ethereum rather than Bitcoins. Ethereum gets transferred a lot quicker than Bitcoin. So I'm just going to go to exchange up here and click on basic. So this is the area where you can buy different kinds of cryptocurrencies. Here on the right hand corner, this is the area that is important. So in the search area, we want to type XRP, which just means Ripple. And as you can see, it says XRP BTC, which means that you can use your BTC, so Bitcoins, to buy XRP. So you want to click on it, make sure to click it, and then you want to scroll down a little, and here you want to click on market. And that just means that you're buying it at the market price. Stop limit orders and limit orders, I'm not going to go into it. To be honest with you, I'm not an expert on it myself, but this is a very simple way to buy Ripple. So just click on market. You can use the percentages here to see how much Ripple you can get for your Bitcoins. So if I click on 25% of my total Bitcoin investment, I can get 8 Ripples for that. And if I click on 100%, I can get 38 Ripples for the $100 that I have transferred. So in this video, I'm going to use half of my Bitcoins to buy Ripple, which translates to 17 Ripples. Another possibility, of course, is just to type the amount of Ripples that you want to buy. So you can just type 5 Ripple here or 10. So I'm just going to go with 17 for now. And I'm going to buy XRP. So click on buy XRP and that's it. And then what you need to do is go back to funds up here and click on deposit withdrawals. And here is where my Ripple is displayed. As you can see, I already have quite a few Ripple in my account here on Binance, which I'm going to also withdraw. To store your Ripple, there are different ways that you can do it. You can use a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano. I don't think the Trezor supports Ripple, but I know the Ledger does, so you can get yourself a Ledger. You can also store your Ripple in the Ripple desktop wallet. And in order to download this to your desktop, what you need to do is just go to Google and type Ripple. So just click on this first link here, I guess. So if you're using Windows, you can download it onto your Windows computer. And if you're using Mac, then you hit download here. Once you've downloaded the Ripple desktop wallet, it will look something like this. So this is pretty much what you will see. You will then need to click create new account. I'm going to log into my account. Just be aware when you sign into your Ripple desktop wallet, you need to go here to the top right hand corner and click on settings. And then here where it says network settings, click on that and make sure that this is ticked. So here where it says online mode, make sure that it's ticked so that your Ripple can get transferred to your desktop wallet. Okay, so once this is checked, you will see this green dot appear, and all you need to do then is to click on it. Simply click on this address and you can copy it that way, and then you go back to your Binance account. And so this is my Ripple here. I'm just going to go to withdraw, and then I can paste that address in here. The amount of Ripple that I want to withdraw, I'm going to click on max, so all of my Ripple here. And then I'm going to hit submit. Once you do that, your Ripple will then get transferred from your Binance account to your desktop wallet. Just to make sure as well, before you can withdraw any of your cryptocurrencies, you need to make sure that your account is verified. So click on this man looking icon here, click on unverified, and then you need to make sure that all of the details here are complete, and only then will you be able to withdraw your altcoin cryptocurrencies. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up or a like, and also subscribe to my channel where I share tons of tips on how to make passive income online. And also, you know, for the information, if you feel inclined, you can also send over a donation. So all of the links are in my description box. So again, thank you for watching and take care. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.